What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Swift Warehouse. Today we're going to be talking about the APU BR35BX-916. This is going to be our U-bolt kit for an 8K axle. You can see right here, this is the box you'll get it in. It's got a nice logo on it. Got our nuts and washers for our U-bolts. So in this kit we're going to get 2 U-bolt plates for 2-inch springs. We're going to get 4 U-bolts, and then we're going to get 8 9/16 nuts and washers, and these are zinc coated locking nuts. Now for this kit, you do need to have your axle seats welded on already. We do not have them in this kit, but we do supply them separately. We can see right here we're going to measure this out, and the way we're measured is from the bottom of this crown to the bottom here. And this is going to be 7.5 by 3.5 wide, and our thread showing is going to be 2 inches. We'll measure our plate out, and our plate's going to be 7 inches by 3 7/8 wide, and our holes center to center are going to be 4 1/4 by 2 3/4. Now the way we do this is the side that will sit against the spring. This is the hole for the spring nut. You'll slip this up against your spring, this over your axle, come down like that, throw your washer on, and then you got to make sure your locking nut's in the right position. Just toss that on. You'll see some hatching on the locking nut. The hatching is the side that goes down. That's the way the locking nuts work. And then as you put them on, they'll lock themselves on. So thanks for watching, guys. It's just that easy. That was the APU BR35BX-916.